Today I'll show you how to change the auto lock time setting. Some iPhone has 30 seconds. If you buy new iPhone, 30 seconds. With that 30 seconds, screen will be black. You need to change the time, the auto lock. Just tap on the setting and go a little bit down. You will see there display and brightness. Tap on display and brightness. Then little bit scroll down, you see the auto lock. I set up the 5 minutes. Tap there, auto lock. Most of the place have 30 seconds, but I set up the 5 minutes. Just 5 minutes, not bad. And some phone has never, but I set up 5 minutes, and that's it. This is the easy way how to set up the auto lock. Just tap display and tap auto lock option and you set up the time. Thank you for watching this video.